Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Sunny.
Very good, Sunny. How old are you?
I'm 5.
5 years old. And what color do you like? I
like pink.
pink. That's good. Are you ready for the test?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's talk about animals. Tell me, what is it?
It's a pig.
It's a pig. Very good. And what color is a pig?
It's pink.
It's pink. Very nice. What is it?
It's a dog.
It's a dog. Good. And what color is the dog?
It's brown.
Brown. Nice. What is it?
It's a cat.
What color is a cat?
It's
It's
orange.
orange. Good. What animal is it?
It's a dog.
What color is it?
It's white.
Very good. What animal is this?
It's
It's
cow.
a cow. Moo. And what color is a cow?
It's black and white.
Black and white. Very good. What about this one?
It's a rooster.
Rooster. And what color is it? It's red.
It's red. It's yellow. It's blue.
Good.
It's green.
Green. Yes, many colors. What animal is this?
It's a hen.
It's a hen. Okay, and what is this one?
It's a rabbit.
Rabbit. What color is a rabbit?
It's white.
White. Do you like rabbits? Yes, very good. What animal is it?
It's a duck.
It's a duck.
Quack, 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 quack.
Good. What color is the duck?
It's a yellow.
It's yellow. Good. What animal is this?
It's a horse.
And what color is the horse?
It's a brown.
Brown. Yes, very nice. Okay, very good.
Lúc nãy là lúc hôm trước là con thấy ông mua con thỏ về